Hey, what's up fans? Mike Guitar is back with an episode of lesson today, guys. Uh, some triad worship improvisation. Okay, how to use your major triads to to improvise on worship songs that make it sound better. Okay, make it sound good. Okay, there's so many guitarists playing some song all over the fretboard, and you see they make some harmonies. Okay, with their chord progressions like. When they're on the worship section, it sounds cool, it sounds better. You know, many times when you're on your worship section, you don't need to, play much. Okay, when you're on your worship section, you don't need to play much. You just need to make some cool melodies. Okay, some cool triad melodies. I've been teaching on how to get some licks. Okay, I'm teaching on licks products. Okay, so I'm teaching on licks improvisation. So I just want to show you how you can use your triad, your blue triad, loud triad, and so your 6 triad, your 5 chord triad, your 4 chord triad to improvise over your worship. Okay. So guys, if you know that this is the first time watching my video, like to hit on the subscribe button. Okay. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video. Okay. If you know that you want to join my WhatsApp class, my personal WhatsApp class, okay, just follow the number on the screen there. I will get and chat me up. I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay. Like the video, smash the like button, then share it also. Okay. All right. So let's move straight into the video. All right, guys. So I'm going to do the lesson in the key of B. I know many of you are not familiar with the key of B. So I think you should work on other keys also, so that we can, get used to all the keys. This is the key of B on the 5th string. Okay. That is the key of B. Okay. So when you get it on this shape, you have it here also. Do, la, sol, do. So. Okay, that is the key of B for many of you that are not familiar with the key of B. So, how to use your triad. This is your Do triad, your Sol triad, your Va triad, okay, to improvise on worship song. Okay, you're going to be picking something like. Okay, so I'm just strumming over the triad. This is your. Okay, do mi so mi do. So one. Okay, so when I play from the root here, do mi so mi do. So I play. So I harmonize from the Sol and the La. Okay. Then I play my Re do. Okay. Then I go to my Sol chord now. This is the Sol. Okay. But I strum from the T. Okay. T, Re, Sol, T. Okay, so I strum from the T, from the 4th string. So I use the velocity of the Fi. Okay, this is a Sol, Sol, Fi, La, Mi. So I use the velocity of the Fi to harmonize on the Sol now. Okay, okay. Then I play Re, Ti again. Re, okay, Re, Ti. Then I go to my Va chord. Okay, remember your do va. Okay. Then I use the velocity, the va chord. I start from the la, do, va, la, do. Okay, but I play from the la. That will be your mi, va, mi, va. Okay, I am on from the mi to the va. Okay. Okay. So that is, I play this sound and I play do la. Okay. 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 Okay, so you just need to watch it carefully and closely so that you can understand what I'm playing here, okay? So let's say you want to play songs like You are the reason I live, you are the one for me, you are the one for me. Maybe you're gonna play songs like that in your church. It can go in any song, okay? As long as you know the progressions, okay, you can play it along with any song. Let's say for instance, you are the reason I'm living. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. How should I feel? Surrounded by your love, ever still love. Why should I feel what these people say? Okay, now you play your mi chord, okay? Then no. Okay, you make some hammer run from the re. You hammer on from the re and the mi, okay? I don't know what to do to me. They don't know what to do to me. Okay, so if you can keep practicing that, okay, keep working on that, you're going to enjoy it, okay? Whenever you're soloing, whenever you're improvising on worship song, you don't need to solo, you don't need to play much licks, okay? Maybe you don't need to chord. Maybe if you're trying to make some chord, you can use that shape, okay? That can apply to any key. You can apply that to B flat, A, G sharp, G, F sharp, okay? As long as you know the chord progression, okay, you can apply that to any key. Even if you want to play on C, okay? Okay. Okay, it can go on any keys on the guitar fretboard as long as you know the progression of that song, okay? Alright guys, so I believe this video is going to help you in one way or other. Like and share and comment. If you have any challenges, drop in the comment section. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next